Hello everybody and welcome to NAMPO 2022 and you are at Farmspace. Yes, today I have a special treat for you. I'm going to speak English. The guys that know me, you will know that is something I don't do often. And we're going to speak to Aubrey from Hardi. What is new of the Hardis in the Hardi sprayers? What can we expect in the years to come? So yes, let's speak to Hardi, to Aubrey, and yeah, let us the story. Aubrey, hello.
Morning, Janu.
Welcome at Farmspace.
Yes. Thank you. Welcome to the Hardi stand for NAMPO 2022 in Cape Town, or Bredasdorp for that reason. Yes, I would just like to tell you a little bit more about the new Hardi Navigator range.
Aubrey, if we talk Hardi in South Africa specifically, if you say the name Hardi and everybody know that is the go-to sprayer. And you have a very rich history in South Africa with spraying technology. Where did you guys begin? Just quickly, just tell us.
Yes, well, so Hardi is a Danish company, as everyone knows, that manufactures sprayers and only sprayers. We have been importing from Hardi crop protection side Hardi sprayers for the past 30 years. So I think we've got a lot of experience in the machines. And then we also started, those years with a small 600 litre or 800 litre with a 10 or a 12 meter boom mounted unit. Today we're sitting on a 5,000 litre Navigator, even a 6,000 litre 36 meter, also available up to 39 meters.
And it is very impressive to see. You started with the little 3-point models and just look at this machine. It's beautiful. We know the Hardi machines is robust. And what do you think is a big success behind Hardi?
I think it's that they only do manufacture sprayers, and all engineering and all expertise are going into sprayers and only sprayers.
And only sprayers.
And only sprayers, yes.
And if you only do one thing, it must be a success.
It must be. They do it right. We know that. They have been doing it right since 1957. So yes,
that's awesome.
And then on the new machines, on the new Navigator range for next year, we have what's called the new pulse system available.
Yes.
Where we will have pulsating nozzles. In other words, you will choose a pressure that you would require for a droplet spectrum.
Yeah.
And the nozzle will open up faster and slower as you require. Then the system will also allow you to do a single nozzle control.
Yeah.
In other words, a single nozzle will switch off if you go over a spot that has been sprayed.
Okay, so you don't have sections anymore. That the section switch off. Each and every nozzle is going to switch off on its own.
Each and every single nozzle will switch off.
So that will for me as a customer, I will save just more chemicals, and it will be better distributed on my field.
Definitely. And then also the system will come with what we call turn compensation. In other words, if you turn, having a 36 meter boom, the tip comes around at quite a significant speed. Yes. Compared to the inner booms. So it will then increase the volume of the nozzles on the outer side of the boom and decrease the volume on the boom that's turning slower on the inside.
It's amazing how the technology it's amazing the technology that you guys have.
Yes, everything with ISO bus and everything, you can just plug it into any use of a universal screen terminal and everything will work. Yeah, the technology has been way advanced. The system then also comes with the latest boom height ultrasonic leveling system from NORAC.
Yeah.
The new NORAC UC7.
Yes.
System for boom leveling. Yeah.
And Hardi is still stuck with the pump.
Yes.
You don't use any oil in it, only the grease. Yeah. And all that kind of stuff.
Yes, we're still with a diaphragm pump where Hardi started with. It's got grease inside, and even if you break a diaphragm, you will not get contamination to your chemical going out to the boom. You will just get some leakage inside it, and you will have some water dripping out under the pump, but there will not be any contamination into the spraying lines.
Aubrey, tell me, how does things look in terms of stock availability and for the season to come and that kind of stuff?
Stock availability at this point, I know in the whole world or Europe is a problem.
Yes, that's why I asked you.
Yeah, we're sitting on a quite long delivery times, but we do have a couple of Navigators on order for stock, so we will have machines coming in available as from very much as of March in next year.
Clive, sorry, Aubrey, thank you very much. I know that your product is top of the range, and I know that you guys are sought after your machines in South Africa. You have a very good name in the field when it comes to your machines, and thank you for the service you give our clients and the farmers. I know you work hard every day to satisfy the clients. So thank you very much for that.
Thank you very much. I think we must also thank the customers that support us over the years. Yes, yeah. Thank you for that as well. Thank you.
Yes, that was Aubrey from Hardi in the NAMPO show here down in Cape Town 2022. We have a nice chat about the new navigators and the new technology that is that they're going to bring in the next year. So I'm really looking forward to it. So yes, if you have any more questions, drop a comment down below and we will chat again. Thank you very much. It's all from Farmspace. Have a nice day.